You're fermenting the cheese?
I'm fermenting the cheese.
How?
Gotta let it breathe, man. It's like wine.
What you want, son? What you want, hun?
Dennis! Remember what Marie told you before we left? Keep an eye out for him. It's the only one I've got. You made her that promise.
I'll see a clear path.
Do I have to like take my pants off and come over here?
This doesn't work! It's slippery at the bottom, and my feet can't stay in it.
This is the extraction.
Dennis!
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
Wait for that. Wait.
I want them to fall so bad.
Wanna go first?
That'd be awesome.
I gotta acclimate.
There's no acclimation.
It wasn't that bad.
It doesn't work.
Craig is strong!
Very strong right there. Your legs gonna be taken away.
This part's hard. Good luck. I sort of winged it.
That rock is awesome. That was good.
Oh, fuck!
It's so fucking lost!
Get close, sorry. This is it. This is it.
Good here!
Oh my god, the dance of death. Not that one? Yeah, just go through here.
How does it work?
I don't know. You just
Feel for it.
go. You just go. Feel it.
Hey, feet work.
Feel it out.
Hey, where'd you put your feet? Tell me where you put your foot. Tell me.
Use your hands, dude. I don't.
Yeah, it's easy.
Yeah, ready.
All right.
My feet are so cold. They're burning. There's an ant on your foot. There's a what? Ants.
Frenchie, it's on you.
That's exactly. Don't drop it.
Four,
56,
57,
58,
9.
70.
Are you going hunting, Dennis?
I am going.
We're gonna catch you some.
Okay.
They're geniuses.
I just like them to run.
I say hide and then stalk them.
I know, but it's so hard to play.
They don't know what the.
Maybe if I just arch my shot enough, like.
Over, Dennis. I have the higher ground.
What's your strategy, Sergeant?
You want to hit them hard, and you want to hit them fast. Know your enemy's weaknesses and exploit them. Now, Frenchie, he's not dressed for this terrain. What I'm going to do, I'm going to shoot his tie. That's going to perturb him. Once he's worried about the tie, that's when I move in for the kill. Once I have Frenchie, I exploit Dennis's weakness of friendship. I'll hold Frenchie hostage. Dennis will try to save him. That's when I pop out. With this. This is an Uzi 9mm. I've used it to kill 18.5 men. The last one is a paraplegic. I think it's been 60 seconds. Time is up! Stay low.
Champion.
Freeze! It's over!
It's over. Oh, I had the high ground, the real high ground.
Dennis! Whew. You can hide, but you can't run.
Hundreds of generations of young, brave, fast-running French people who could get me to this momentous rock that I have fought so valiantly. Well, fought's a strong word, more like leaped and bounded over rocks.
Would you say
And
cowardice is a good word to describe what you just did?
You know, that's another strong word.
No, come on, get hands up. You're just gonna run, Dennis. Who else here knows that you've surrendered? What happens when you get back to camp and you say you didn't? I'm not taking any chances.
I mean, I would say it'd take a lot of courage to outwit Sajin, because, you know, him with his Berkeley mind, that's something to put up with. So I would just like to give all the credit to, I'd like to thank Charlemagne, I would like to make a pull in.
Look at the way he leaps over logs. This is SAS training coming out.
Charles de Gaulle, all my homies in France right now who've been cheering me on in spirit. That's who I owe this victory to.
Move!
Did he shoot you?
You didn't move!
Oh, you have to move.
I was thinking about shooting your shot.
Dennis.
I took a picture. I took two.
Not yet.
Okay, I'll delete it then. It's fine.
No, you won't. Not
Is that
yet.
a water slide over there? Yes.
Look, deep renewal, Blistex.
Dude, I have the generic brand. Everybody knows generic's always better. It's cheaper.
We'll see who's gone wrong when their lips are chapped tonight.
Got me. There was a battle of pine cones here.
The pong's broken.
Why do you always go to that one?
Cause that's like one of his main tracking ideas.
Because he found their bonds.